man. Medyo paspasan na ako sa kuwan first. Okay, so let's start now again. Wala na on ang mic ni Sir Almagro. Okay, so training and development now. Our object that is our topic for today, no, chapter 9. And the objective po is you will be able to learn the fundamental concept of related to training and development. So first, no, before we proceed in our proper discussion, so what is training and development, no? So pag training and development, that is a process that improves the employee's skills and knowledge. Not only for the skills and also for the knowledge. And training focus on the current job skills. And yung development naman focuses on the future growth and the career advancement. Okay, for the training naman class, no, for example, if you are the cashier, so you need to train, no, to learn how to use a new system, and that is training. For example, kanang sa cashier ka, no, it involves kung saan paggamit sa computer, unsaon pag-type, no, unsaon pag decode, unsaon pag-encode, something na, unsa man punching may tawag ana no, kanang something icon ang pricing. Saon siya? What if dili mo gana tong sa computer, no? Unsa may buhaton nimo? Okay, encode lang to nimo sa barcode, no? Na may barcode nang sa baba sa mga product. So that is why that is training. Okay. And for the development naman, that is the career advancement, no, ng employee, no. Okay, career advancement, it means you are preparing to become a manager, no, and that is development, no? Career advancement, future growth, no, ng isang employee. Okay, next, for the concept of training, um, that is the process of teaching employees the skills they need to do their job well. So, the concept of training, it focuses also, no, sa mga ginatawag nato mga new employees. New employees, mga ginatawag nato mga legendary employees, kidili man pwede nga maging stagnant lang, no, ang skills ng mga legendary employees. And also, kinahanglan po nila og i-train, no, kay dynamic baya ang ginatawag natong management. And of course, ang trendings, mga trends, no, is naga-changing ba? Na even the market, 'di ba, naga-change. So it means natin natawag og training na. Okay. So the purpose of training naman po student is to improve the skills of new employees or the current employees, no? I-improve ang skills and also the ability. And of course, no, it helps to the employees to do their job better, increase the knowledge for better performance, maging productive sila, no, the purpose of training. For example, kung if you are the cashier ta ha, kung you are knowledgeable na nakabalo na ka sa mga buhaton nimo. Pero makita mo na to class, no, kung imong training is kana kanang very traditional, common na siya. So kinahanglan nimo maging advanced, no, sa training. Pag maging advanced sa training, na kay mga pasikot-sikot ba? Kanang makuha na mo ang pattern ba, no, kanang dali ra ang trabaho, no. So yun, no, the purpose of training. Even gani sa magbagger gay ka, kanang bagger ba sa anong kuan, di ba, na may cashier bagger. So di ba sa bagger class dili ka baya ka magpataka og butang, no, dili baya pwede nimo isagol ang sabon ug ang pagkaon. Okay, so kana siya class, no, that's kinahanglan siya training. And of course, pinaspasay ba ang trabaho ana. So that's why class, no, natay ginatawag og to mo na ba to improve the performance, no. Okay, mas productive siya. And the benefits of training naman is to give to the employee, no, more benefits, more knowledge, better performance, the increased confidence. Kanang confidence, it means pag you are kanang encountering this problem na ba. So it means ma-increase imong mag-boosting imong confidence tungod kay kabalo namang ko anay, no, na-encounter na nako na during in my training. What if nga nga issue? So kabalo na ko mo address na. So mo nang maka-boosting siya sa confidence ng mga employees, no. And higher chance of promotion and salary, no. The more nga engage ka in training, no. Daghan training ka again, how na kag accounting, how na ka og financing, how na kag human resource, how na kag operational management. Adi ikaw na lang mag CEO, no. So yun, mas ko na mas advantage siya no in the promotion. Okay, nagkasinab tayo ta class. Okay, so muna class kung naay training gani no in your company, kuha na siya chance na nimo no. Kuha na opportunity na nimo. Sa quali pa no, opportunity na nimo. So you need to engage in the training. Halag kapoy. Even mga seminar, kapoy bin ang seminar no, maglingkod ka whole day. So what you can mahimo ano kung dapat mo-engage ka kay para mag-move forward kasi imong career no and growth. And the training procedure. So ito yung training and procedure natin. So naada no sa ato ang slides no. Una no, in the training procedure are steps no used to prepare for the workers so they can do their job accurately and effectively. And this include yung una no, proper guidance and supervision. Okay, so naayun na no, proper guidance and supervision for the new employees. Need yun na siya class no. And next naman, clear instruction on the tasks and methods. Dapat dili sila maging kanang mag-doubting sila ba? Doubtful sila no. So dapat clearly ang ilang inyong instruction. Helping the employees become familiar with the process and techniques. Mo nang proper guidance, mo nang proper monitoring good evaluation. So that is why close no mga 1 week, 1 month ang imuhang monitoring, no. Nung natin ginatawag na to kung sa ka ba? Proby pa ka ba? No, probationary, di ba? After 1 month, 2 months, 3 months ng probationary, so kuha na ka. Ano, no, para maging familiar, ano, ginakon mo ginakon ka sa company ba nga okay 1 month to 3 months probationary nimo para after that no so familiar naman ka sa mga workplace no sa imong work environment so that is why nga no na siya no proper guidance na siya and next naman is developing flexible and versatility in work next naman input process output no mura man ni siya og kuning input process output IPO na siya no usually kani mga study no mura ginahibuhat ni siya sa mga BPA student no IPO input process output so for the input naman students the training can be explained using this symbol no simple flow for the input no that is the employees no the skills and the knowledge needed. Okay. New employees no, unskilled workers, potential manager. Input. Muna tong target dira no. Inputan sila ba? So, unsa may input nimo? Okay, that is the training and development programs. No, so kung gusto ka mahimong potential maging manager soon, no, kung nakay ko na potential manager ka pohon, so need nimo og training and development. Kasi ang uban nga ni class mo eskwela sila. Ilahang kon ba, professional and development nila. Eskwela sila. For example, naka sa gobyerno, no? And nakay potential nga, you are CPA gapon ka, no? And potential ka magiging department head. So, muskwela yung ka as Master in Business Administration. No, dili lang CPA ka, no? Kinahanglan jud mo mag-professional development. So, that is why, class, no? Pwede ka maging potential na maging department head, maging potential manager. And of course, no, need po, no, ang mga unskilled workers. Okay? So, new employees naman yun na. No? Next naman, for the input naman, uh, maging skilled na, no? Input, ay output na, no? Humanan sa process. Process is, murag ka ng tangible process na siya ba, no? Intangible process or tangible process. Pag tangible process, pasabot, ana, no? Maging, kanagong seminar sila, no? And, kung intangible process ka ng mga istorya no mga gina-input sa mga speakers no in the seminar ang output tungod kay na-train na ka no and in the you are engaged in the development programs maging motivate nitong mga motivated and committed na ang mga employees no job satisfaction satisfied sila no skilled employees mas skilled and maging competent na sila to become a manager soon. Okay, so yan no ang training procedures. So next naman no, orientation. Okay, so we have the types of training. Pila man ikabok? Upat, no. orientation, refresher training, job training, and professional training. So, meron tayong apat. No? Una, no, yung orientation. Orientation is for the new employees. It welcomes them and introduces the company. Di ba, bago ka musulod, okay, you are hired na, no? Duty na kaugma, digil mo. Okay. So, before ka mo duty, ugma, digil mo, kasi buhaton, orientation. Di nakikipataka na kag trabaho dito, no? Orientation man na. So, muna ang types of training. For the orientation, that is the most common category, no? Under the types of training. This is welcoming and no, welcome ka din, no? And introduce the company, no? And gina-include rin sa orientation class is what is the mission, what is the vision and the values for the company or in the organization. No? Of course, napod rin no, ang proper behavior and communication. Sumot na og kanang kana kung proper behavior, kanang medyo pressure ang trabaho. No, mag-init pa ba ang ulo ana, no? Unsa man ni mga buhaton ninyo, no? In sa mag proper handling ka og kanang mga customers, no? Unsa yung mga behavior na tong i-address na? Ay, daghan kay customers, init kag ulo ya padalion pa yung customers. So apil na siya class, no? Behavior and your communication. Next naman is the organizational structure. So, the organizational structure class na ipaila-ila na si mga, okay, kinsa may ang president sa organization. Okay, Almagro ang president. Kinsa vice president, si Kuan, si Jimboy, no. Sunod, kinsa man ang mga galamay, no, sa operational, sa HR, okay, sa accounting, oh. So, ano na class no, palaila na siya sa mga organizational structure. Nga naman class, no, kinahanglan na siya og formal nga pagpaila-ila. Tungod, para makabalo mo ba unsa ang mga kinsa man inyong i-follow no ang mga orders authority na putang responsibility no kinsa may makagive og command si mo ha kay you have the power man no to give command yan next naman information on the leadership okay or the leadership team and the benefits and policies no benefits unsa mga benefits makuha na 13th month 14th month bonuses incentives no work setup like emails, mga logins, apel na siya, no? Kung involved online, no? Kung sa work setup nimo, kung naalang ka sa operational, unsa pod ang work setup nimo dra. Dili man ka pre og work setup tanan. And next naman, refresher training. Kaning refresher training class, applicable ni siya sa mga, unsa man, new employees or current employees. For the refresher training, na applicable na siya po students for the existing employees. Existing employees. So, pasabot katong naa na nga mga employees. Refresher lang sila. No? So, the purpose for the refresher training is to improve the knowledge and the skills. Na sila prior knowledge, na sila basic knowledge. I-improve pa dyan, no, ang ilahang current knowledge and skills. Boosting the confidence. No. Update the employees with the new methods and trends. Mo nang iniingon na to ba nga dynamic ang isa ka management. And of course, the management walay constant, na constant, no. So it means na tayo mga refresher training, no, sa mga employees. Even gani sa mo when I was in Marinol School of Santo Tomas, na may ginatawag og kuan kanang professional and development. 3 days training yun na siya class. Online or ma face to face me. Naapoy online, naapoy face to face. So i-training yun na, no. Part na siya sa refresher training. Bisag nakoy kauban sila Mamadulara, kailan na sila, para Ate Rizalda, ang mga Merinolian diri. Tag 60 anyos na, tag 50 anyos. I-appeal yapon sila sa refresher training. Dili jud pwede nga dili apil. I don't know sa stikas so may refresher training do ya. Ang refresher training man good class. Na mga new methods ba in teaching process. Siyempre nagtudlo man tag mga estudyante. So kinahanglan nanto og kanang sa taong atong makisabay no sabay sa alon mo. So ana gud lahi na ba no mga Gen Z karon. Lahi ang ilang mga panirada no in the learning process. So that is why na ay refresher training. Okay. para dili maging stagnant ba ang kuan ba ang ginatawag na tog skills no knowledge ng mga employees no refresher training. Next naman, job training no. For the job training no, it prepares no for the employees for their actual task. Unsa na sa job training no, it includes the demonstration of their job and you will explain the rules clearly and of course no to improve the skills and the confidence. So in short no, the job training no, employees learn by doing their job. Mupasok na dre ang learn by doing mo si kuan Jerome Bruner no, learn by doing. So it means job training demonstration. No. For example, si Digil mo nga to ang manager sa planta sa Tadeco. Yan, nag-handle siya og mga new employees no sa planta. So job training, so magpa-demo yun siya, demonstrate. O nga na yung pagkuhan ha. Sana ka na kung pagsipi kung saging. Tawag na eh. Nga na yung pagsipi ha, proper nga pagsipi. Kalimot mo na eh. So, nga na ang pag-proper pag-select. Di ba? Pag selector, mag-select kag mga saging. O, nga na ang proper. Nga na ang proper pagtimbang no sa weigher. Class A, Class B. No? Nga na ang pag-determine sa Class A, Class B. So, that is job training. No? Demonstration, learn by doing. And promotional training naman, uh, promotional training prepares the employees for higher position. It gives more responsibilities, help the employees to qualify for the promotion. So kaning promotional training class no, in short, it prepares for the workers to become future leaders. Example lang, si Digil mo ang manager sa kuan, management sa Tadeco. So it means another promotion himo na siya og superintendent. In the superintendent, ay pa promotional training. Tagaan na siya og unsa man ang iyang authority and responsibilities nimo dira. And you're syempre accountable pug ka unsa mo mga kuan na. So that is promotional training. Kana siya advance na maging kuan nga future managers ana. Maging future top management na ka soon. Okay. And the methods of training naman, this method is done while the employee is working. And the advantage of the methods of training no, is to encourage learning. Okay? Encourages learning and saves time and cost. Ano kay mo, medyo na ano ang advantage on the job training. Makasave kag time, costing, kaya nga naman, prepare, kung mo siya ba, kanang well-trained man sila. So, no need na nga, sige kag kon mo, sige na kag monitor, sige kag evaluate, no na. Kaya nga naman, well-trained naman sila. And of course, no, maka-improve sa skills and knowledge. Okay. So, yun, no, next naman, next slide. So, yun naman, kahit na eh. Limitation. So the limitation of on the job training no, although on the job training is very helpful in the company or in the organization, it also has some limitations. Una no, low productivity. Ano man low productivity kay tungod dili man sa diretso dayon ma-train ba no. Dili man sa diretso dayon ba sagod sa trabaho dayon ba no. So low productivity kinahanglan pa nimo og time no to train them. Okay, next, errors in work no. Beginners may make mistakes. Di na siya maiwasan class. Manang uban class no kanang mga company. Sayangan na sila nga mo hawa ang isa ka trabahante. Sa og mga 5 years, 10 years na. Nga naman class kay mo back to zero na mo sila. Asset na baya kanila no. So, muhawa ka, back to zero, i-train na pod ka, i-orient na pod ka, job training na pod ka. So, medyo hassle kay sila ha. So, that is why maging low productivity no. And errors in work no. The more nga new employees no, daghan kag new employees, the more nga daghan sila og mistakes, daghan sila og mga mali. Next, disturbance no. Katong mga regular workers distracted. Ano man sir, ano distracted mo? Sige mo itong pangutana. No, lain pa no, di mo tubagon. Tay, si Jimboy kay bagong na-hire as, kuan, as kani nga trabaho. Nya ako ang regular. Masige man nagpangutan sa Jimboy nga, unsa may buhaton, unsa nga, sir, unsa may dapat among buhaton. So, medyo disturbance para sa kuha. Possible accidents no due to lack of experience. Muna kasagaran no ang mga tao nga sumutog ka na sa construction ka. Kasagaran ng mga bag-o nga mga helper mga danghag no. Sige ra kasamad no di ka balo mo trabaho na so medyo possibility of accident. Okay, sumutag ka ng mga mag-hire kag mga new drivers. Nya kana nga drivers bago pang gitrain. So possible no madisgrasya ang inyong sakyanan, makadisgrasya, makabangga no. Okay. Next naman is apprentice training. The apprentice training, no, that is the combination of the job training and the classroom learning. Uh, ang formula na class, no, apprentice training, job training plus the classroom learning is apprentice na. Okay. So the employees work while learning no, skills, no, especially for the technical jobs. And the advantage of the apprentice training is they can earn no, while learning. And they can gain real work experience, master a specific job, no, improve their skills, increase productivity. Ang kanang mga apprentice training, kabantay mo anang mga doktor. Anong mga doktor class? Anong mga kan ba kanang mga doktor sa garana na sa public hospital. Apprentice pa ng uban ra. No, even apprentice sila class, na nag-earn na sila, earnings na sila. So dili kayo nga na kadako, no. Lahi po tong OJT. Kaya ang OJT, on-job training mo na, no? Pero, ang kaning on-job training, wala, baya may sweldo na, di ba? So, kaning apprentice classes, na naka-earnings. No? Nag-job training pa kaya, na yung kay learning, no? From the classroom learning, apprentice, no? Na naka-earnings sana, no? And, to summarize, no? The on-the-job training has some risky, no? And limitation. Pag miingon tag apprentice training naman, that is more structured and effective. Okay, so yun, next naman. So the limitation, the limitation no, sa mga apprentice training is uh, very low no, low pay while learning. Kaning kasagaran sir, matawag bag apprentice training ning kwan, mga probationary. Yes, tawag siya apprentice. Nga naman pag probationary ba ano kay gamay pa imong rate, diba? Gamay pa imong sweldo. So very low pay no. That is the limitation. Next naman no, some prepare full-time programs. Ang ba no, dili kayo kanang kwan provisionary no, mas ganahan nila og kwan katong mga well batak na ba no. And the limitation naman no, kinahanglan gyapon og regular supervisions. So yun, it is the limitation of apprentice training. Next naman, unsa man ning pag-pronounce ani? Vestibule. Search na to na yung pronunciation ani be. Di mali ta. Okay. Vestibule jud no. Vestibule. Okay, the vestibule training po students is that is the training center training, no. So in this part, no, this is being done no, in a training center, no. That looks like a real workplace, no. Uses the actual equipment guided by expert trainers, usually small groups of trainees. Kanang vestibule training class, makakabantay mo anang kuan. Kanang kung nag-offer o driver's training, TDC man siguro na. Kasi naka-try diri og eskwela og kuan. Kana naka-try og eskwela og TDC kay magkuha license. Dili tong mga kuan na tong magkuha lisensya as katong mga lisensya nga fixer ha. Kung dili lisensya nga kuan pang katong legit jud ba nga license. TDC mo na siya class no training driving course mo siguro na TDC. So mo na class no kung magkuha ka og code 123, mo mo na sa una no. Code 123 nga license as driver. 3 pasabutan na makadrive man jud ka ng mga four wheels. Padrive mo jud ka dira. Sa ang pag proper na handling sa imuhang manubela no sa ato ang kuan no shifting sa gear nato and of course proper parking, 'di ba? Parking, reverse parking, parallel parking ba na no kung mag kuan ka then apo nay usahay class no proper nga pag overtake no, isgot na ba taning overtake o 'di ba overtake patay tong duha ka estudyante duha ba to sila magulang ba no so siguro no basig na kulang sa training nila sa mga training no ang pag overtaking gamay ba king dalan ya overtake hindi sampok so to nga patay so yan class no balik ta no the vestibular training is makagunit na jud kadra no tangible process na siya no okay so yun dugayon mo na so the advantage of the vestibular training class no is guided by the expert trainers no no effect of actual production no? And it combines theory and practice sa garanan ng sakuan maingon taw kanang vestibular training class naman tayo ginatawag na to og mga theory pero by experience na pod no? Duha na siya theory and by experience ang gina-train dara combining theory and practice no? It helps employees become skilled and the disadvantage no very expensive due to equipment man that is why class no kanang mga TDC gani mahal ang ilang singil I think 1.8 man siguro magkuha ka license di ba SP makakuha ka SP pakuan mo ka ana bago ka mahimong SP mo kuha mag TDC so very expensive siya no kay mo gasto mo jud ka kay siyempre ang katong mga training po dato nga kumpanya no nag-offer ana nga mga courses nag-invest man sila na mo pad sila kutsino pad sila motor pwede yun ka kung motor ay akong gusto nga ko og license maingon na nga okay motor naman imong gusto ko haon unsa nga motor imong nahibalaan howd ba ka clutch sir akong gusto sir katulang kwan sir katong scooter lang kay di ko ubo ng clutch so pag gamiton kag scooter so siyempre mo palit mo yung kumpanya na no og kuan so that is very expensive para sa kanila no next naman may cause coordination issues training facilities may not always be fully used. Okay, so manang uban nga diretso na lang rekta na lang sila og kuan. Rekta na lang sila og kani nga tawag na to og mga fixer. Okay, next. Internship training. Lahi po tong on-job training, no? Lahi po ng internship training. The internship training no, allows the students or trainees to work for a fixed period. No? It can gain real experience, learn actual workplace skills, no? And learning through real work exposure. Kanang internship training, wala man mo nakatry og internship, no? Internship gani class. Tagaan kag period of time to train. Kasagaran may ngunta og bisab no. 300 na sila, 300 hours. Imuha nang on job training kadra no, 300 hours. Okay, naa man ay fixed time no. Ano wag na kay ginatawag na to og contract ba. No? So learn actual workplace skills no. Gain real life experience, real experience. Next naman, learner training. No? The learner training is the learning training helps individuals to learn faster, use effective techniques, become more independent training. So, kanang learning training parang assisting lang, no? To help individuals to learn faster, use effective techniques, no? And become independent learning. Sa pa sunod, concept and development. Okay, development data. Mm. Concept and development, no? Concept development, no? This training is for the managers and executive development man, no? The development leadership and managerial skills, it improves no, the behavior and the decision making. In short, no, the concept of development class, no, it helps to the leaders to manage effectively. Kaning atong gi-discuss na to nga kaning concept of development. So all about the works kanang improving ni sa mga to become a future managers. And the need of importance of the development is to there's a need for skilled managers, no, and the organization needs strong leadership, and that's very important, no, for the organization. And the companies, no, need trained, well-trained leaders to be succeed, no. In every company class, no, in every organization, na yun ay leaders. Kung na may isa ka leader nga mohawa, it means katong isunod nga mahimong leader, i-train to nila training and development. Not train lang, and also for the development. No? Next naman, the objectives of the management development. No? So una, ang objective dara is, sinatawag na to, improving the managerial skills, enhance the decision making, develop the leadership abilities, and being prepared for the future managers. So, in short, it builds the effective and capable leaders. Next slide. Okay. Ganun pre ano eh. Okay, so muna na siya no sa ang uh, objectives. Next naman, methods of the management development. So these methods are divided into two parts. Una no, on the job methods. So methods man on the job development. On the job methods class gani. Pag on the job methods, it means done inside the workplace. And it learn through actual work. Okay, inside. And number two naman, of the job methods naman, done outside the workplace, no? Focused learning without distraction. Outside. Okay, so naandra no, on the job methods, natay ginatawag na to og coaching, no? Under study method, no? This method develop learning by experience which should never be ignored and disregarded. Natay job rotation. Ay, rada yun. Outside, no, of the job methods. Para maging dependent mo ka ni, para maka-avoid og distraction. And on the job naman, sa sulod ni siya, internal facilities. Okay. And next naman, kaning on the job methods, no? Number one, coaching and the study method, no? Learning through experience, guiding by senior or mentor. Pag coach on the job methods, naadyoy ginatawag na tong mga leader, natin mga coach, instructor, seniors or mentor, no? Ginaguide ka ni. Learning by kanang kon learn directly from an expert. Pag job rotation naman, the employees move to different roles. It helps them understand different tasks. Kaning number two, the job rotation, natin ginatawag nga og cycle. Okay, si digil mo na, man siya diri sa kaning operation. Ibali na punti ka next week. Digil mo, lahi na po mo operation. And that is job rotation. Cycle ba? Okay. And the special project naman class, no? The executive is given a special task with a big responsibility. No? Learning by handling important projects. Special project, so medyo kung ano yung mga project lisod ni. No? Kato ng mga special na. And the committee assigned, no? The executive become part of the group that solves problem. No? And dyan, it can be learning through teamwork and decision making. Kato namang of the job methods, outside man siya, special courses na siya. Special courses, pasabot anak, kanang mga seminars, no? The same lang yapon, pero outside lang siya, no? Mga seminars, special courses. Role playing, napon na, no? Case study, conference training, off the job na siya. Off the job, outside. Being done outside, no? Next. Gahi, ano sa gahi? Okay, Okay, difference between training and development. O mo to, no? Pag training gani is skills, new skills, new knowledge, new abilities, no? Acquired by the employees. Pag development naman class, organize ang activity for the people, no? For the organizations learn and grow. So, learn and grow, na rin tawag og pwede tag kanang yung mga professional development. Muskwela ka, no? Muskwela ka, and pwede po kanang kanang mga long term, no? Long term process mo, no? Muskwela ka, no? Growth focus. Next naman, training programs. So, for the training programs, dagan no? Orientation training, onboarding training, sa, ay niya lang, klase mo ko. May, ano ba? May. I-prepare na ko to. Tawag na ko si ma. Ha? Dako naman to. Among yana no, itong instructor, bagi, ano. Okay, so training programs na tayo orientation training, onboarding training, compliance, product, leadership training, technical, quality assurance, and sales training. So isa na to na eh. Pupuya pa na eh. Gana pa yan eh. Okay. Ayun na siguro, mga na, training programs, no? And for the training programs naman, kadali na mo man, soft skills training, no? Team training, diversity training, safety training, upskilling, and reskilling. And that would be all for today.